Hi everyone! Here's a quick guide on how to use a manual breast pump. First, wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean and properly assembled. Next, sit comfortably and place the breast shield securely in position. Gently squeeze the handle a few times to encourage milk flow. Once milk starts flowing, continue with slow and steady squeezes. If you feel any pain or discomfort, stop and adjust the pump's position. Pumping should be comfortable. When the milk flow slows down, you can switch sides if needed. After pumping, store the milk in a clean container and follow recommended storage guidelines. Finally, wash and dry all pump parts before the next use.